Well, thank you for joining me on this question. I'll be looking at exercise 4, question 4D. It says, use the fact that if ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the quadratic formula x equals negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a to determine the exact solutions of the following quadratic equations, giving your answer in the form d plus ei, where d and d are real numbers and I equals square root of negative 1. So our equation is 5x squared plus 8x plus 4 equals 0. And our values for a, b, and c, we do have an equals 0, so that's good. So therefore, a is 5, b is positive 8, and c is the constant, which is 4. Therefore, x equals negative b, so negative 8, plus and minus b squared, 64, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a, which is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So negative 8 plus and minus. So we've got 64 minus 80, all over 10. So we've got negative 8 plus and minus negative 16. And we can change negative 16 into root 16 times root negative 1. So putting them both over 10, negative 8 over 10 plus or minus 4i over 10. Simplifying these fractions, negative 4/5 plus and minus 2/5 I. And here we've got our result where d is negative 4/5. E, there are 2 plus and minus 2/5, and I is the square root of negative 1. So there's d plus ei. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.